Hello friends, myself R.D. Mahajan presenting my video on finite differences type central differences. In earlier I have discussed first two types, forward difference and second backward difference. In this video I will discuss central differences, how it is denoted and how we can make a table for central differences. Uh, Please watch the video up to end so that all things are clear to you. yr minus 1 is equals to delta y suffix r minus 1 by 2. Values of r changes from 1, 2, 3, so on. Therefore, this is the notation to denote that central differences. If we put r is equal to 1, we get here y1 minus 1 minus 1, that is 0. y1 minus y0 is equals to delta y suffix 1 minus 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2 we get 1 by 2. Therefore, that is the first central difference, delta y 1 by 2 as y1 minus y0. If we try to complete that table is having values of x, corresponding values of y. Values of x are x0, x1, x2, x3, x4. Equispace, distance between two successive values is h. And the corresponding values of y are y0, y1, y2, y3 and y4. I have taken 5 values. We can extend it to any number of values. And therefore, first column of central difference, that is delta y, it is y1 minus y0 as delta y1 minus 1 by 2, we get delta of 1 by 2. Then y2 minus y1 is equals to delta y 2 minus 1 by 2. 2 minus 1 by 2 we get, if we cross multiply it becomes 4 minus 1, that is 3 by 2, and therefore it is delta y 3 by 2. Next, y3 minus y2 we get as delta y of 3 minus 1 by 2. 3 minus 1 by 2, if you perform that cross multiplication, we get 5 by 2. Delta y of 5 by 2. Next, y4 minus y3 as delta y with suffix 4 minus 1 by 2. That 4 minus 1 by 2 is nothing but 7 by 2. Therefore, this is the first column of first order central differences. If we take the differences of this first order differences, we get second order differences as del y 3 by 2 minus delta y 1 by 2 as del square y 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Therefore, it is 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. 2 by 2 means 1. Therefore, it is del square y1. Next, del y 5 by 2, delta y 5 by 2 minus delta y 3 by 2 is equal to delta square 5 by 2 minus 1 by 2. 5 by 2 minus 1 by 2 is nothing but 4 by 2. 4 by 2 means 2. Therefore, it is del square y2. Next, delta y 7 by 2 minus delta y 5 by 2 is equal to del square 7 by 2 minus 1 by 2. We get 6 by 2. 6 by 2 means 3. Therefore, it is del square y3. Therefore, this is the column of second order central differences. Then next is third order central differences. For that, we have to take the difference of these differences. Therefore, it is del square y2 minus del square y1 is equals to, as per this, it is del cube 2 minus 1 by 2. 2 minus 1 by 2, it is 3 by 2, and therefore it is del cube y 3 by 2. Next, del square y3 minus del square y2 is equal to del cube of delta cube y 3 minus 1 by 2. 3 minus 1 by 2 we get 6 minus 1, that is 5 by 2. Del cube y 5 by 2. Therefore, this is the column of third order differences. If we take the differences of this third order, we get fourth order differences as del cube y 5 by 2 minus del cube y 3 by 2 suffix 3 by 2, and that is equal to del raised to 4 y 5 by 2 minus 1, 5 by 2 minus 1 we get 5 by 2 minus 1 by 2 we get 4 by 2, 4 by 2 means 2, therefore it is delta raised to 4 y 2. This is the table of that central order center differences. Table remains the same for any type of differences, whether it is forward difference or backward difference or central differences. Therefore, for this I am not making a table, because previous that two table of forward difference and table for backward difference, we can use that for central differences also. Only notation is different. As y1 minus y0, all of we are knowing that it is forward difference of y0, and that is nothing but backward difference of y1, and it is nothing but central difference of y at delta y with suffix 1 by 2. Therefore, y1 minus y0 remains the same, only we are denoting in three different ways. This is for forward, this is for backward, and this is for central differences. Okay, means the same table we can use for any type of differences, whether it is forward difference or backward difference or central difference. In my next video, I will discuss another important term, that is interpolation, and first step of interpolation, Newton's forward interpolation formula. If you like my video, please share it as well as subscribe to my channel to get a notification of my new videos.